wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids!
From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to
Dream Again! Yay!
Yay! We're back in our crafts and art studios.
Yeah.
Or arts and crafts.
Yeah.
Which
both.
one's better? Crafts and arts or arts and crafts? Arts and crafts I think sounds
I
better
think
because
people-
the A comes before the C instead of the C before the A. But what am I talking about? What are we doing today?
Wow. Noah, that was like you were me for a second there.
Yeah.
Like all your words, you just kept going and they were all jumbled. Because sometimes there's just so much excitement in your head.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah. Wow.
I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Oh yeah? Do you have a lot to say?
No, but I have a lot in my head that I wanted to write down because maybe, I love music.
Yeah.
And maybe one day I can do some more music on my own because you're a really, really good singer. And, well, yeah, I'm not a good singer, but I'd love to do it better. But I need to write notes down and all my thoughts.
Well, so you can write down music and stuff, yeah?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, you're really good at that. You're very good with words.
Well, but Olivia,
Yeah?
I don't think the kids know what we're doing.
Oh, kids, have you not figured it out yet? Oh, do you want us to tell you? Do you want to tell them, Noah, or do you want me to?
You tell them.
Okay, so today we are making journals. Yeah, yay! So a journal, for those of you who don't know, is a book that's it's empty.
Just like this.
See? Yeah, it's empty on the inside, and you can write down kind of anything you want. It's kind of like a diary. You can write down what you did that day, or what you ate, or if you made a new friend, or like Noah can write notes for his songs, and maybe I could write ideas for pictures, or I could even do a sketch so I don't forget and I can do it later. But our journals, we also want to make them very, very personal for us.
Yeah.
So we're going to color them. We have all sorts of supplies.
Yeah. Well, I bought this at the store and they didn't have any blue ones. So, and I don't like green. So the first thing I'm going to do is make the top sheet blue.
Ooh, that's a good idea. You know what? I actually think, I know that I love red, but I think I'm going to make mine pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
That's weird. Why don't you keep it red?
I don't know. I just think that you have a really good idea. And for some reason, I don't know, pink is inspiring today.
Okay,
yep. So,
that sounds good.
Yep, today's a pink day.
And what will we be using? Because I see you laid out lots of different things like this.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
This
So those right there are glitter pens. If you want to hold one up, yeah.
Oh,
so,
sure.
Yeah, so we have glitter pens, and it's like glitter glue, so you can do all sorts of stuff with it. And then next to it, those are pipe cleaners or fuzzy sticks, either way you call them.
Yep.
And ooh, what's that?
Feathers!
Oh, feathers. That's a great idea. Yeah. And then we also have, puff balls. Those are
I think those are the ones I'm going to use because I see there's blue in there.
Oh, yeah, those are a good idea. And these are markers. We have all different color markers. And then we also have a big sheet of stickers. Multiple sheets. Ooh, but look at all those stickers. We have so many stickers. Oh, and then also up there, we have our glue stick so that we can glue things to our journal. Oh, and Noah got me these special. These are pearl stickers. So it looks like little pink pearls on if I put it on my journal. So I'm going to definitely use some of those.
I'm going to start already now.
Okay, are you going to start?
Is that okay?
Yeah, go ahead and start. Okay. So kids, what we're doing is basically just coloring on top of this and gluing stuff to it and making all sorts of just fun art. So
yeah,
feel free to do whatever you want to yours.
I would suggest kids, you go and get your book too.
Yeah.
And all of the things that we just showed you, you'll need as well. And you can do your journal as well and do it yourself.
Yeah, you can do any kind you want. And you can just think, what inspires me? Or inspire is like, what makes me feel creative?
Yep.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we'll be working on ours, and we'll be right back. So you get your stuff and start working, and we'll start working, and then shortly we're gonna show you what we did.
Yep, I'm gonna get out my markers.
Okay. Can I
Okay.
have glue?
Yeah, of course. I haven't decided.
Oh, and I wanted to take some of these balls. I have so many feathers. Did you pour all my feathers?
Oh no, you can. Sorry, I didn't mean to. If I did, yeah, I think the pipe cleaners were connected to the feathers, and there's feathers all over now.
I'm gonna put these on
Ooh, the
because
puff.
I like blue
Yeah.
and yellow.
Do you need the other glue?
No, I'll just use the glitter glue. I already have so much glitter glue.
Good idea. All right, I'm gonna use some of these stickers. I wanna use. Let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna pick. There's like this little bug. Put on there. Oh, ooh, and a butterfly. I want the butterfly.
Ooh, stickers.
Do you want some stickers?
Yeah, can I have some too?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, and I think I want to have a flower. Yeah.
There's a tiger.
There's a tiger. Woo. Ooh, a tiger's a
I
very
want
good
my
choice.
journal to look strong.
Ooh.
Rah.
My journal looks very sparkly. Yeah. And I'm gonna do some of the pearl stickers too.
I think I'm done.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Oh, I could add a pipe like that too. I'm gonna take this yellow one. Can I have the yellow one?
Yeah, you can have the yellow one. I used red. Done. Okay.
I'm just working on this pipe here.
Ooh.
Okay, I think I'm done too.
Okay, I'm done too. Should we show the kids? Do you want to go first?
No, you go first.
Okay, I'll go first. So, this is my journal.
Wow.
Yeah, so
That's so pink and so beautiful and so
thank you.
quite pretty. Oh, I like your heart that you put up there
Thank
with the
you.
pipe.
Yeah, and look, I have the heart with the pipe cleaner, and I wrote my name in the middle, so Olivia, so
everybody knows it's
mine.
yours.
Yeah, and
Oh,
then
I didn't do that. Oh, maybe I should have done that.
I think we'll be able to tell.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
Let's
this
see.
is mine.
let's see. Oh yeah, you can totally tell that's yours,
Wait,
Noah.
but there's a feather there.
Ooh. Wow, those feathers are everywhere, huh?
They are everywhere.
I think I spilled them.
So this is mine. I put a baseball on
Mhm.
there because I really like baseball.
Oh! And look, did you do that on purpose? You have a tiger, and then you put black glitter glue all over, so it's like your journal's also a tiger.
Exactly, because I wanted to be like, roar.
Roar! Oh, and do you also have this sticker? I have a sticker in the corner that says "Too Cool," and
Yeah.
Yep.
Hashtag too cool.
Hashtag too cool.
We're too cool.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Wow. These are really cool. And did you see all the pearl stickers I used?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
looks beautiful. I'm
you.
happy you like those.
Yeah, I really do.
They look really good, actually. It was nice design. It's like, it looks like there's a street that goes to your name.
Oh, yeah. I like that idea.
Yep.
Yeah, I like your puff balls and your feather, too.
Yeah.
I kind of wish I would have used a feather on mine and some
Yeah,
puff
mine,
balls.
mine
but-
feels puffy
Yeah, I
and
think...
feathery.
yeah.
But the feathers, yeah, they're all over the place. But who knows? They might go off. But it's okay. There's my tiger.
Yeah, I really like your tiger and your baseball because you love baseball.
Yeah.
Wow. These are so cool. I'm really excited to start writing in mine.
Yep.
Can we start writing in them right now?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, yeah.
Where's my, I'm gonna write.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a glitter. Where's, I need a,
A regular marker.
yeah, regular marker.
Oh, those ones are all glitter ones. Oh,
I
up
have
here.
one.
You have one?
Oh, yeah, I have one.
Oh, wait.
Oh, there's
can we
blue.
switch, please? Thank you.
Yeah, you want purple?
Yeah, I'm gonna use purple. Okay, thank you. Dear diary,
Dream again songs.
today was a very
Miracle.
good day.
Sometimes your days aren't that good. But
He's really good at
sometimes
writing
the sun
songs.
shines.
He doesn't know that that's an arts and craft too. Did you know that?
Who are you talking to? What are you saying?
I was talking to the kids. I was telling them that you're really good at writing songs and that writing songs is an art too.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
What kind of art?
It's a musical art.
Huh.
Yeah, music's an art.
Maybe that's something I'm good at.
Yeah, there are arts that are not arts and crafts. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know, like, Writing, that's an art.
Oh, you like writing.
Yeah, I love
That's why
writing.
you like writing in your journal.
Yeah, and music is an art. There's lots of arts.
Yeah, some things I'm not good at, like painting, I'm not really good at, but maybe writing songs I'm good at.
Yeah, it sounds like you're really good at writing songs. And also, I think for any of these things, it's also just practice. Like any of the painters, they painted for a really, really long time.
That's true. Okay, well then I'll continue practicing and maybe I'll write us a new song.
Ooh, I would
about
love
that?
a new song. That'd be lovely.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just going to write a story.
Oh, Olivia?
Yeah? Yeah?
I guess we should say goodbye to the kids because
Oh, they probably
we
don't.
forgot.
Oh, we got so excited about our new journals.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Kids, why don't you send us pictures of your journals that you made?
Yeah.
In the meantime, we're gonna do some more writing and singing and we'll just see you next time, right?
Yeah, we'll see you next time. And if you guys do any of your other arts, like singing or playing the piano, whatever you do, let us know. We'd love to see it.
Yep, for sure.
Mhm.
Okay, thanks
Okay.
for watching
Yeah,
Dream Again.
thanks
We'll
for
see you
watching.
next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below. Thanks!